Assalamualaikum, peace be upon to everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about technological risk and benefits of AI, GMO, nuclear, and biotechnology. So what is technology? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge, skills, and tools to solve problems, create products, and make human life easier and more efficient. It involves using machines, devices, systems, or processes to accomplish tasks that would be difficult or impossible to do by hand. AI or artificial intelligence. AI is a branch of computer sciences that focuses on creating machines or software that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. It allows computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding, recognizing images, solving problems, and learning from experience. Examples of AI. We have Siri, Google Assistant, Messenger, and Grammarly. Those four pictures are the examples of AI. The birth of artificial intelligence or AI. Alan Turing. Can machines think? He is a British mathematician, logician, codebreaker, founding figures of modern computer science and artificial intelligence. What is a Turing test? Turing test is a method proposed by Alan Turing in 1950 to determine whether a machine can think or behave like a human. Makikita po natin sa picture na kung saan ay nasa gitna po yung judge at magtatanong po siya ng questions na kung saan kung hindi niya masasabi kung sino ang robot sa dalawa ay ang ibig sabihin lang po niyan ay ang isang machine can think like a human. And this test really proved na machine can think like a human talaga kasi hindi niya na-predict kung sino sa dalawa yung robot. John McCarthy. He is an American mathematician, computer scientist, cognitive scientist, coined the term artificial intelligence in 1955, founder of AI Labs, Stanford Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, 1965. Benefits of AI. It increases efficiency and productivity. AI automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing humans workers to focus on more strategic, creative, and human-centric roles. Improve healthcare and scientific discovery. AI assesses in disease detection, analyzes medical images like CT and MRI scans, help researchers to develop new treatment, and accelerate scientific research by analyzing complex data. Next is personalization. AI tailors content, services, and educational materials to meet individual needs and preferences, enhancing user experience and engagement. Just like ChatGPT, it really helps student na makagawa ng mga kanilang mga assignments and school activities na kung saan ay mas mauunawaan nila yung mga topic sa school na hindi nila nauunawaan. Next is better customer service. Virtual assistant provide instant 24/7 customer support, improving response times and customer satisfaction. Performance of dangerous tasks. AI and robotics can be deployed in hazardous environments such as bomb disposal, space exploration, or deep sea inspections, reducing risk to human life. So, pag may mga, for example, need na, instead of sending humans sa hazardous na environment is pwede na lang na AI or robotics na lang yung ipapadala. It increased unemployment. Reduction in the need for human interference has resulted in the death of many job opportunities. Example, call centers. AI chatbots can handle customer service inquiries. The other example is factory worker, powered robot and machine. So, instead of humans, pwede na ang robot na lang yung gagawa ng mga task and yung mga machines din. Next is, it makes human lazy. People relying on generative AI in writing tasks should reduce brain activity in critical cognitive areas. Yes, this is very common nowadays kasi mga students nagre-rely na lang. Nagre-rely sa ChatGPT. They don't want to think critically na kasi time-consuming din. Pero dapat din kasi balance na if they have the time to think, dapat medyo ma-minimize yung paggamit ng ChatGPT kasi masasana yung utak na mag-rely na lamang sa ChatGPT. Yes, so the next, risk of AI, social disconnection. AI for conversation or emotional support can reduce real-world social engagement, potentially increasing feelings of loneliness. Next is misinformation and deep fakes. AI can create fake videos, voices, and images that look extremely real. This can be used for political manipulation, fake news, scams, and fraud. Next is security threats. AI can use for cyber attacks, hacking, phishing, and automated weapons like military AI systems like drones, robotic soldiers. Now we proceed to the GMO or genetically modified organism. GMO or genetically modified organism is a result of laboratory process of taking genes from one species and inserting them into another in an attempt to obtain a desired trait or characteristics, include deleting or changing genes or transferring genes from one organism to another. Now we talk about the history of GMO or genetically modified organism. The first genetically modified organism was developed in 1973 by biochemists Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen, who inserted DNA from one bacterium into another. This marked the birth of modern genetic engineering. So, this picture shows that this is Herbert Boyer. He is a biochemist and genetic engineer at the University of California, San Francisco, developed restriction enzymes that could cut DNA into specific pieces. The next is Stanley Cohen. He is a physician and molecular geneticist at Stanford University. He developed methods for introducing plasmids into bacteria and for isolating and cloning genes. Boyer's restriction enzyme plus Cohen's plasmid is equal to recombinant DNA. Examples of genetically modified organisms are golden rice was modified by daffodil genes which synthesize more beta-carotene which body converts to vitamin A. Yan po yung daffodil na isa pala siyang bulaklak. Yung daffodil, yung genes niya ay pinagsama doon sa rice, no? That rice is at first normal lang siya na rice. Not until yung genes ng daffodil is pinagsama doon sa rice kaya naging golden rice siya dahil sa tulong ng yung recombinant DNA. Yun po yung process niya. So we have another examples of genetically modified organisms. The BT maize was modified with genes of Bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis to synthesize delta protein which is responsible for resistance against insect. Now we proceed to the benefits of GMOs. Now first, it's higher the efficiency in farming. It increase in harvest. It control infertility. Increase in food processing. Improvement on desirable characteristics, and it reduced the use of fertilizer and pesticides. Kasi nga po, as yung kanina na examples of GMO, yung BT maize is the moment na pinaghalo na yung genes ng bacterium na Bacillus thuringiensis na naging responsible for resistance against insect kaya minimize yung paggamit ng pesticides. Now I proceed to the risk of GMOs. Kanina po, we discussed the benefits of GMOs, and now we're going to discuss the risk of GMOs. So what are the risks of GMOs? First, more allergic reactions. Kasi nga, no, yung dalawang genes pinagsama, so may possible reactions po talaga siya sa katawan ng consumer. Kagaya pa nga nung kaninang examples na kung saan yung BT maize na yung genes ng bacteria ay hinalo doon sa genes ng mais. No, imagine from bacteria tapos doon sa mais na kung saan ay iko-consume ng mga tao. Kaya possible po talaga na magkakaroon ng allergic reactions. Antibacterial resistance, toxicity for body organs, and the last one is biodiversity loss. So those are the risk of GMOs. The next topic is nuclear at ipagpapatuloy po yan ng aking kasama na si Mary Joy Gonzaga at i-discuss din po niya yung biotechnology. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Syukran!